How to cancel order on Superbuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to cancel order on Superbuy. So basically, you just have to simply go to your Superbuy, log into your account, and then go to orders. So if you have ordered something and you wanted to cancel this, make sure that it's under pending. Because if the order has been purchased or already been purchased or shipped, it may not be eligible for cancellation. Now, if the order is eligible for cancellation, there should be a cancel or cancel order button next to the order details. Now, click this button. Confirm cancellation. After clicking the cancel order button, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm the cancellation, so you need to confirm it. This is what it looks like. You have to select the reason here why you want to cancel your order. So you just have to select from any of this and then click confirm. Now, after that, you just have to wait. You will be notified that it is now canceled. If you can't see this option or if you face some problem, then you can go to customer service, contact the customer service if needed or necessary. So you may contact Superbuy customer support for help, provide them with your order number and request to cancel the order. So this is what it looks like. You're going to send a message. They will ask you more information about your item. Once you have provided, then click send or submit. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.